everyone, I'm John Green, and welcome to Crash Course History, Confucianism. Like Rachel said in the previous presentation, Confucius was a philosopher that believed in being morally just, not only in his personal life, but in government. He emphasized kindness and sincerity. Today, we will dig deeper into the ideals and philosophies of Confucianism. Wait, it's time for open letter already? To Berman Fall 2020. What do you know or think you know about Confucianism's core beliefs and values? Please type it in the chat while you pause this video. One of the most important values of Confucianism is the hierarchy and relationship between families. Confucius believed that families are the basic unit of society and each member should fulfill his role. This is called Li. Confucius thinks that there are 5 key relationships of a society: ruler to subject, father to son, husband to wife, elder brother to younger brother, and friend to friend. 4 of these relationships are based on superiority, with the exception of friend to friend. This shows that there is mutual dependency among citizens in a society. Another important value, Ren, this represents the ideal relationship between 2 people. Confucianism's purpose is to achieve harmony between people, and most of these values are based around it. In China during this time, emperors were ruling, so Ren was also used in the sense that if a ruler lacks Ren, it would be difficult for his subjects to be humane. Therefore, the ruler would behave well and take care of his or her subjects. Yi translates to justice, righteousness, and meaning. It involves being morally good and sensible to do so competently. It means that certain actions are done because it is the right thing to do, not because the consequences of the action will be beneficial. Yi also ties into Shu, meaning respect for others and altruism. One famous quote by Confucius is, "What you do not desire for yourself, do not do to others," also known as the negative golden rule. In Confucianism, Shu is also used for self-reflection. You must be empathetic toward others and be able to appreciate what the other person would do. For example, if your friend is feeling down, brew them a cup of tea to feel better. Zhi puts emphasis on wisdom. It is based on the fact that one can make good decisions based on their education and past experiences, rather than a static body of knowledge. Lastly, Xiao ties into Li, where the young must care for and obey their parents and elderly. This is going towards the goal of moral conduct and social harmony. Xiao consists of putting the needs of the elders over oneself and other groups as stated in Li. One way I like to remember this is like an age hierarchy list. If you're younger than an elder, then you must obey and care for them. If you are not, then they must obey and care for you. These are only some of the many core beliefs of Confucianism, so if you'd like to further research about these values, check out the Britannica Encyclopedia. It's a reliable source where I got most of my information for this video. Thank you for watching Crash Course, and I hope to see you next week for more Crash Course Global History.